Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. My name is Adyasha Naik and I make videos to help you deal with all skin and hair care issues. Although winters are the most awaited season out of all other seasons, and you need to give some extra love and care to your skin and hairs as well. Today is gonna be only about hairs as they tend to get very dry, brittle and loses shine. Your scalp gets very itchy and your hairs become very unmanageable as well. So today I have a DIY hair tonic which will help you deal with all these issues as well as boost your hair growth. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
It contains vitamin B12 and folic acids which helps to keep hair shiny and healthy, calms an itchy scalp due to its antiseptic properties, promotes hair growth and strength due to presence of vitamin A, C and E. Deep cleanses oily scalp, prevents dandruff, best for oily hair, brittle, dry, damaged hair and curly hair. Talking about onion, which have high presence of sulfur that boost hair growth and strength, prevents dandruff and premature graying, prevents thinning of hair, revitalizes dry brittle hair, moisturizes and calms dry itchy scalp. At last, we have ginger that boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to stimulate hair growth and strengthen hair roots and follicles. The fatty acids, vitamins and minerals helps to prevent hair loss, fights dandruff due to its antiseptic properties. At first, you will need half a cup of aloe vera juice. In that, pour 2 to 3 teaspoons of onion juice and at last add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Now mix it properly. You can see it is of watery consistency, so if you want you can transfer it into a spray bottle to avoid getting messy. Do middle partition the way I am doing over here. This will help you with easy and even application. Comb properly to remove all the tangles. Be gentle while combing, then start applying the prepared tonic. Start applying it on your scalp at first and then go towards the ends. Apply it evenly all over your hairs and scalp. While applying, don't put too much of pressure. Don't rub your nails as they may cause breakage. Rather, use your fingertips the way I am doing over here. I am mainly focusing on my front hairline as it is the most affected area of hair fall for me, but also focus on the ends and lengths as lengthy hairs do not receive enough proteins and vitamins just like the roots do, which makes them dry, brittle and prone to split ends. Do partitions and focus on roots at first. You can see the way I'm doing over here and then gradually make your way towards the end of the hair strands. This makes it a better way for application. While rubbing your fingertips, don't put too much of pressure and don't do it for too long, as rubbing it particularly is done over here to spread the tonic properly all over the scalp. After you are done with the application, put your hair like this into a neat bun. And then it will be the time for our next step that will help to penetrate the goodness of the tonic deep into the scalp. For that I am using a spa cap. However, it's an optional step. If you don't have this kind of spa cap, then you can use a wet hot towel to wrap your hairs and let the heat help in the process. This cap also has a regulator to adjust the heat as per your convenience. After you are done with that, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove the cap and let the tonic on for about an hour. And then wash off with a mild or with your regular shampoo. Apply conditioner as well, as that will help with the conditioning of course and eliminating the smell of the onion as well. It's time for after wash routine. After hair wash, let it air dry for some time. And then on damp hair, at first I will use like 2 to 3 drops of olive oil. Here I am using the Del Monte one all through the length properly, as I have very dry hair. Spread it thoroughly and then the last step will be the serum. I'm gonna apply 1 to 2 pops of the serum. Currently I'm using this Khadi Natural serum. It's a very good option for dry, brittle, damaged hair. Small bottle will last you for at least an year as the serum is very thick and heavy, so you won't need much of it. This is what the after result is. You can see my hairs did gain a little bit of volume. It feels nourished. It looks so shiny and clean and fresh. You can see the after results properly.
That's all I have for today's video. I hope this DIY hair tonic will help you deal with all these issues and will be helpful to you. Do share your experiences in the comment section below. If you like such content, then do subscribe to my channel, like and comment as well. Thank you so much for watching.